Hi guys, so for today's video, I will be imitating Rico yan. It's you again. In this video, hindi ko masusunod dito yung proper way of putting makeup. So if you wanna watch my tutorial, so better to watch the video of me imitating Yuzuru Hanyu yan. My favorite Japanese is K-pop. Since ang i-review lang natin sa video na ito is only this Maybelline Fit Me Compact Powder, Oil Control Powder. Konting contour siguro, something ganun. Pero ito lang kasi i-review natin. So, hindi ito yung proper way. So, sasabihin ko naman sa inyo, magdi-disclaimer naman ako mamaya. Since every time na nag-imitate ako ng artist, ang binabasa ko kung sino sila. Like, who is Rico yan? He is basically Ricardo Carlos, Rico Castro yan. Was a Filipino film and television actor. Active during throughout the mid-1990s to 2000. Let's start the video. The hair. Yes, it is important. The hair. And also, I have to clear my beard using this. I will also putting this, the link of this razor. The first one is I will now rinse my face using wipes. Okay, I'm now applying this Fit Me Compact Powder. So this is it. I think I have a mistake on here since yung hair niya is nasa kabila pala. No? Now I'm applying this since this is a review. Sabi kasi sa akin na dapat daw ginagamit talaga ito. Ayos. So ngayon, ang ilalagay ko na isa sa nose since medyo matangos ang kanya. So ito yung gagamitin ko. I will also put the link of this one. Pero this is not the highlight. Ang highlight natin is yung Maybelline Fit Me Compact Powder. Small amount. This brush. So this is not the correct way. If susundin niyo yung pinaka-tutorial ko from Yuzuru Hanyu, it is important na liquid foundation muna bago powder. Kasi yun naman talaga yung standard. So huwag akong gayahin since mag-drawing ako. Sa dimple talaga. Although may dimple din naman ako. Hindi ko alam kung tama yung ginawa. So mali ito dapat liquid foundation muna before. Ayan. So nakakuha ko na yung pinaka-ganon niya. I think this is the final now. It's you again. So, pwede ko siya again. Bakit nga ba ang puso pag nagmamahal na ay sadyang nakapagtataka? Ang bawat sandali lagi nang may ngiti dahil langit ang nadarama. Para bang ang lahat ay walang hangganan dahil sa tamis ng nararanasan kung mula sa puso ay tunay ngang ganyan. Nais ko ikaw ang palaging yakap-yakap, yakap na sana'y walang wakas. Sana'y laging ako ang iniisip mo sa maghapon at sa magdamag. Init ng pag-ibig ating pagsaluhan. Kung mayroong hadlang, di ko papayagan. Kung mula sa puso ay tunay nga ganyan. Nais ko'y gawang laging yakap-yakap, yakap na sana'y walang wakas. Sana'y laging ako ang iniisip mo sa maghapon at sa magdamag. Init ng pag-ibig ating pagsaluhan. Kung mayroong hadlang, di ko papayagan. Kung mula sa puso ay tunay nga ganyan. So that's my short video since I will have to promote this. So that is the short video of me imitating Rico yan since I have here to promote this. Maybe yung Fit Me Compact Powder. If you also want this, it's better for you to check out nasa comment section and sa description box. So, sa mga link, ayan, for commission kasi siya. So yun siya. Ayan siya. And by the way, I will be also uploading me imitating Leng Tanapon. So in that video is sinunod ko rin proper way of doing makeup tutorial talaga. So in this video kasi hindi ito yung proper way. So take note, dapat liquid concealer muna before any face powder. Ayan. Liquid muna bago yung oil control powder. So ang ginawa kasi natin sa video natin is nagganito muna tayo since, di ba, sinusunod natin yung highlight kasi ng ilaw. And ako bigla liquid foundation para nga sa ilong. Since yun yung ginagaya natin. Pero hindi yun yung proper way again. Hindi yun yung proper way. So liquid muna bago yung powder for oil control. Kasi yung so yun lang. So if you also want this. And by the way, my last video of me imitating Yuzu Hanyu, you can watch it as well. Yun, proper way of makeup tutorial din. Thank you so much for watching this video.